It's a really fun, well-rounded program that is very recreational, but is the best kind of academics because it's all of the things that they're interested in.
Here we get to do many activities like build 3D houses and play on computers and do a lot of outside activities.
We also do science with the kids, and we also do arts and crafts with them. You sure can. Sit on down and create with me.
When I have like spaces in my homework, that's where I get it done.
We try and communicate with teachers throughout the day and also throughout the week and try and see what they're doing in the classrooms and try and incorporate in Kids Safari as well. Are you going to do this?
We also get to like make ice cream and have lots of fun activities.
We are that escape world for them so that they can learn while they play.
You get to have a good time in Kids Safari.
Our students have a special set of skills that they get just by coming to our program every day. They are able to work better with other students. They build relationships with students among other grades. They're just really getting to find out what they like about themselves and what they're interested in the world. We get them for their greatest hours of the day where they get to really just explore.
We are shaping and molding our kids to be the best that they can so that they can be successful not only in the classroom but in the world.
I love Kids Safari!